So we're going to find the possible number of extrema for a 6-degree polynomial. Okay, so for a 6-degree polynomial, it's basically going to either look something like this or something like that. And we know that the maximum number of extrema is always going to be the degree minus 1. So the maximum will be 5 extrema. And then we just subtract by 2. So there could be 3, and then there could be 1. So the answer choices are B and D. So that's the general rule. You subtract 1 from your degree, and then you keep subtracting 2 until you either get to 1 or 0. And that is the number of extrema, the possible number of extrema. Now for the next question, we want to look at the end behavior of 8x to the 5th minus 3x cubed plus 8x plus 5. And what you should get out of this is that it is an odd function with a positive coefficient. So it should look something like this, the end behavior, and we don't care about what happens in between the endpoints. So the answer choices are asking, okay, what happens as x approaches positive infinity, and what happens as x approaches negative infinity? Well, clearly, when x approaches positive infinity, it goes up forever. So that means f of x will have to go to positive infinity. And as x approaches negative infinity, we notice that the graph goes down forever. So f of x will approach negative infinity. And when we look at the answer choices, only B is the one that works. Because as x approaches infinity, f of x approaches infinity, so that's correct. As x approaches negative infinity, f of x approaches negative infinity. Okay, so that is correct. And so our final answer is B.